Very good morning, students. I hope that you all are well at home.
Good morning, ma'am.
Let's start our computer class. We had completed chapter 5, which was advanced features of MS Excel. We had completed question answers. I explained this chapter in front of you all. And today we'll start chapter 6, computer viruses. So in this chapter, let me share the ebook first of all in front of you all, so that it will be easier for you all. I hope you all can see the screen. This is computer virus, chapter computer virus. This is the chapter computer virus. So in this chapter, we'll try to understand about identification of viruses and their actions. Identifications of various signs of various infections. Identifications of different types of viruses. Protecting computer from viruses. Usages of antivirus software. So here we'll understand, here we'll study and learn about these topics. So start reading this chapter. Sanskar, start reading the chapter. I hope you all know about computer viruses, but I'll explain. We'll try to understand. We'll learn something more about computer virus, antivirus, all these things. So Sanskar, start reading the chapter.
Ma'am, from very often.
Yes, from very often. Start reading from very often.
Ma'am, which chapter?
Somebody is still sleeping? Yes. It's chapter 6, computer virus. Sanskar, start reading.
Very often we hear the term virus and antivirus when talking about computer. Just like the human computers are vulnerable to viruses. Viruses spread from one computer to the other through a network and cause immense harm to computers they infect. In this chapter, we will discuss about computer viruses in detail. Computer viruses. Computer viruses are malicious software programs. They have been designed to harm the computer. These programs are capable of duplication and are designed to spread from one computer to another. What are effects of viruses? Computer viruses have some harmful effects. This include they incorrupt data or program files in a computer. They can delete on a computer or even erase everything on the hard disk, causing it to crash. Some viruses are designed to steal data from other computers. How can we get viruses? We can get viruses in the following ways. By copying files from infected removable devices such as portable hard drives, pen drives, CD-ROM or DVD-ROM, etc. By opening suspicious email attachments, by downloading free games and movies from untrusted websites, by sharing files over the internet. How do we know that we have computer viruses? The following are some signs which indicate that our computer has been infected by virus. Computer runs more slowly than normal. Computer restarts on its own and then falls to run normally. Application on your computer don't work correctly. Disk or disk drives are inaccessible. You can't print any item correctly. Display unusual error message. New unknown files appear on system.
Stop.
Different types.
Ayush Roy, start reading from 6.2, different types of computer virus.
6.2 different types of computer viruses. There are many different types of
computer viruses. Let's look at a few of them. There are many different types of computer viruses. Let's look at two of them. First, boot sector viruses. As the name suggested, these viruses affect the boot sector. Example, hard disk, and damages the booting process. Their harmful effects the even prior to the operating system starting up. Example, disk killer, Michelangelo, stone, etc. 2. File viruses. File viruses are written from damaging X file executable files. They use infected and activated method for their distributed action. Entirely, these viruses attach themselves to executed files. When the executed files they being duplicated and attach themselves to all such programs in the computer and ev- eventually separated to all other computers that are attached to the original system. Example, cached, Sunday, etc. Third, multi multipedial viruses. These viruses are combined of boots sectors and files viruses that they infected our computer's boots sectors and being infecting executable files. They eventually separate to all executable files and damage the system. Example, host wall invader, flip, and etc. Fourth, microviruses. A microvirus infected any program that use a markup such as MS files, etc. Since they are written in language of the application of the or the program, they infected our system despite, despite the operating system protection. Example, DMB, nuclear, word concrete, and Mesla worm, etc. Mail viruses. These detective viruses are a type of ma, ma, virus type. Typically, this virus is
Typically,
repeatedly and send itself to other email addresses. Once the mail with the viruses it opens, it gets activated and cause damages. Example message.
Melissa. Chalo, Ved, start reading from 6.2.1. Some other types of viruses. Ved, Shukla. I think Shukla. Yes, Ved Shukla.
Some of the types of virus. Some of one Trojan horses. This virus is aptly named after a hollow wooden Trojan horse used in the Trojan
Horse.
This war was fought between the Trojans and the Greeks using this hollow horse. Greek warriors sneaked into the city of Troy and vanquished it. A Trojan horse in the computer world, a harmful program which is held in a simply harmless program or data when executed. Trojans steal information from the computer. Worms, these are similar to a virus and have the ability to complex and can have harmful effects on a system. They use a computer network for spreading and target computer on a network. They often take up a lot of bandwidth. The Trebi slowing the network except where these type of program are silent
Spyware.
are written to monitor us users
Stop.
activity.
Wait, Shukla, stop. So Branch Singh, start reading from Spyware.
Spyware. These types of programs are silent and are written to monitor a user's activity on a computer. Information gathered is then sent without the user's permission. Spyware can be dangerous since they can collect any kind of data such as personal data, financial data such as credit card details, etc. Spyware can be transmitted through Trojan horse horses. 6.3 Preventing computers from viruses. If a virus infection has occurred, it is vital that it is tackled, and furthermore, the system is protected from future attacks. There are numerous do's and don'ts that users can adopt in order to safeguard their systems against viruses. A few of these are do's. Always install an antivirus on your computer. Update you Update your antivirus programs regularly. Always scan removable devices such as portable drives, pen drives, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, etc. before using them. Always download software from trusted websites. Backup system files on regular basis to avoid data loss due to virus attacks. Don'ts. Never open or download any suspicious attachment. Never download free music, movies, and games as they are associated with viruses. Never visit unsafe websites. Never open any spam or other unknown links. Never use free and pirated software.
Stop.
Antivirus software.
Akshat Chaube, start reading antivirus software. Akshat Chaube, start reading.
Antivirus is application software designed a private remove virus from computer system. An antivirus remove any virus is found. The antivirus keeps on watch of the computer system. If a virus is found, alerts a user flag in infected program and even kills the virus. Some popular antivirus software are
Cas-
हम ये भी पढ़े
read the antivirus name of some antivirus software. Kaspersky.
Sky, MCAC, Norton, ABG,
Quick Heal, Total Security.
Quick Help, Total Security, Awares.
In this chapter,
we will discuss how to scan for virus using Quick Total Security. Quick Health Total Security. Quick Health Total Security is a great tool which scan your against virus, spywares, and other malwares. It is an easy to use interface to follow the step. One, click the start button. Step 2, click quick Health Total Security folder and expand it. Step 3. Then click Quick Health Total Security on type Quick Health Total Security in the search box and press the enter key. The Health Total Security windows appear. Figure 6.8. Quick Health Total Security windows. Step 4. Click the scan button. Click the scan button. It will display different scanning option and show button. Show below. Step 5. Select any option. Select any option. Step 6.
Read
The
step,
scanning
read
process started. Show as
Akshat, read different scanning options. Read all the options.
different scanning option. Option full screen, custom scan, memory scan, bot time scan,
Read like this.
evaluate
Full system scan.
scan,
Purpose.
mobile scan,
Akshat, read like this. Full system scan. Purpose to check all boot records and files on the system. Custom scan to check the drives, folders, or files on the system. Memory scans to check the hard disk. Boot time scan to restart system for scanning the boot sector. Vulnerability scan to fix or patch the vulnerabilities of to make your system secure. Mobile scan to check the mobile device. Now start reading the step 5.
select any one option, memory scan. Step 6, the scanning process start and show in figure. Step 7, when the scanning process is over, it's display a summary of the scan.
Shraddha Patel, start reading the key terms. Complete these key terms. Shraddha Patel.
Yes, ma'am. Antivirus are programs that can detect and computer virus on a
And
computer.
counter viruses.
Where
Counter viruses.
counter virus on a computer spyware, a software that collects personal information from the computer without user's permission. Trojan horse, a malicious program that steals information from the computer. Virus, a malicious software that is designed to harm a computer. V- vi- vulnerability-
Vulnerabilities.
Vulnerabilities, the weakness present in the operating system settings and applications that can be missed by hackers. Form a malicious program that duplicates itself.
Now move to the. Let me explain this chapter first of all in front of you all. After that, we'll complete exercise. I was thinking that we are going to complete exercise, but first of all, I have to explain this chapter. So this chapter is all about computer viruses. Which type of virus we face whenever we are working on computer. Many type of virus attack on our computers to harm it. Just like a human computer and vulnerable to viruses. Viruses spread from one computer to other through a network. Network is through one computer to another. These viruses spread and cause immense harm to the computer. They infect it, and in this chapter we'll study about these computer viruses. Computer viruses are malicious software program, very harmful software program. They can harm computer very badly. They have been designed to harm computer. उनको ऐसे डिजाइन ही किया जाता है इन viruses को so that they can harm our computer in a very bad way. Start touching the screen. Ved Shukla. What are the effects of viruses? Here you can see the effects of virus. Right. I want to tell you that did you know section of each and every chapter is very important. Understand? Virus cannot infect the hardware components such as keyboard and mouse. This is important point which is written here. They can corrupt data or program files. They can delete data or on a computer or even erase everything from hard disk, causing it to crash. बहुत बुरी तरह से डैमेज कर सकते हैं डेटा. Some viruses are designed to steal data. कुछ ऐसे वायरस डिजाइन किए जाते हैं कि जो हमारा डेटा, जो कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे कंप्यूटर में हमारे बारे में है, they can steal them, उसको चुरा सकें. How can we get virus? हम वायरस कैसे पाते हैं, कैसे मिलता है वायरस? Through the CD-ROM, CD drive or portable hard drives, removable disk drives के through. By opening suspicious email attachment, any suspicious email attachment we get, and we just click on that, and that virus will download on our computer. By downloading free games, movies from untrusted websites, we get viruses. By sharing files over the internet. How do we know that we have computer virus? कैसे पता चलेगा? So here we can understand that. Here we learn about that. How can we know? So computer runs very slowly. बहुत slow चलेगा computer. Normal नहीं रहेगा. Computer restarts by its own. अपने से restart होगा and अपने आप switch off हो जाएगा. Application on your computer don't work correctly. Disk drives are inaccessible. We cannot on it. We cannot open these disk and disk drives. You can't print any item immediately or correctly. This display unusual error message will show. New unknown file appears on screens on system. Different types of computer virus. Now here are different types of computer virus. Boot sector virus. As name suggests, this virus affects the boot sector, hard disk, and damage the booting process. Their harmful effects to affect even prior to the operating system starting up. स्टार्ट करने में सिस्टम में और बहुत बुरी तरह से कंप्यूटर को इफेक्ट करता है. बेसिकली कंप्यूटर के बूटिंग सिस्टम को इफेक्ट करता है दिस वायरस. फाइल वायरस आर रिटन फॉर डैमेजिंग. वो सिर्फ डैमेज करने के लिए ही लिखी जाती है. एग्जीक्यूटेबल फाइल होती है. दे यूज इनफैक्ट एंड एक्टिवेट मेथड फॉर देयर डिस्ट्रक्टिव एक्शन. Initially, these viruses attach themselves to executive files. When the executive files runs, they begin duplication and attach themselves to all such programs of the computer. Attach होके आते हैं वो मेल के साथ में. जब हमको ओपन करते हैं तो they infect our computer. Multi-party viruses. These are the combination of boot sectors and file virus. Boot sector and file virus इसमें दोनों होते हैं. They infect a computer boot sector and begin infecting executable files. Macrovirus, the macrovirus infect any program. किसी भी program को like MS Office files को ये disturb कर सकते हैं, affect कर सकते हैं macrovirus. Mail virus, as I told you, mail virus attached होके mail के साथ में आते हैं and जैसे ही हम open करते हैं और वो computer पे बहुत बुरी तरह attack कर देते हैं. Some other types of virus, as you can see, Trojan virus. This virus is aptly named after a hollow wooden Trojan horse. एक hollow wooden Trojan horse था, उसके नाम पे ये Trojan virus का नाम रखा गया है. This war was fought between a Trojan and Greeks. Trojan और Greeks के बीच में war हुआ था. Using this hollow horse, Greek warriors sneaked into a city of Troy and vanquished it. A Trojan horses in the computer world is a harmful program which is held in seemingly harmless program or data. When executed, Trojan steals information from computer. ये बहुत ही harmful program होता है computers में. So जो कि बहुत बुरी तरह से हमारे computer को affect कर सकता है. Next is worms. These are similar to the virus and have the ability to self-replicate. वो सेल्फ रेप्लिकेट होते जाते हैं, डुप्लीकेट होते जाते हैं, ये अपने आप को बढ़ाते जाते हैं एंड कैन हैव हार्मफुल इफेक्ट ऑन द सिस्टम. कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क के थ्रू ये स्प्रेड होते रहते हैं. स्पाई वायरस. These types of virus are silent and are written in a monitor a user's activity. बहुत ही साइलेंट वायरस होते हैं जो पहचान में भी नहीं आते हैं. स्पाई वायरस कैन डेंजरस सीम. दे कलेक्ट एनी काइंड ऑफ डेटा, किसी भी तरह का पर्सनल डेटा, फाइनेंशियल डेटा, क्रेडिट कार्ड डिटेल्स, डेबिट कार्ड डिटेल्स, ये सब स्टील कर लेते हैं. स्पाई वायरस कैन बी ट्रांसमिटेड थ्रू Trojan वायरस. Trojan वायरस के थ्रू ये ट्रांसमिट होता है. प्रिवेंटिंग कंप्यूटर्स फ्रॉम वायरसेस. Do's and don'ts are given here. After install an antivirus, you have to always install हमेशा एंटीवायरस इंस्टॉल करके रखना है अपने कंप्यूटर में to protect them from virus. Update your antivirus program regularly. Always scan removable devices such as portable hard drives, pen drives. हमेशा इनको स्कैन करके यूज करना है. Always download software from trusted website. Trusted website से ही डाउनलोड करना है सॉफ्टवेयर को. Backup file systems.
Yeah, it's an independence.
What is so do's and don'ts you all can read. आप सब पढ़ लीजिएगा अच्छे से do's and don'ts, and here are the names of some antiviruses are given which you can see, and the procedure of quick heal total security. How to install it, how it works, how to scan virus. You can see here this is the interface of quick heal total security window. This is the interface. So how can we work in this total security window? All the procedures are given and the different scanning options are given. How to scan mobile phone, vulnerability of scan, boot time scan, memory scan, custom scan, full system scan. ये प्रोसीजर दिया हुआ है एंड इनसे क्या हमको प्रॉफिट होगा. लाइक कस्टम स्कैन करेंगे तो क्या होगा, मेमोरी स्कैन करेंगे तो क्या होगा. These are the things given here. Select any one option. Memory scan. If you will select a memory scan, then it will show like this. Scanning process. इस तरह से scan होगा. All the procedure is given of total security, total quick heal security. Understand? Now you can see our chapter is completed. Now move to the exercise of this chapter. Well, Shraddha read key terms. Let's revise it once more. Antivirus, the program that can detect and counter viruses on your computer. Spyware, the software that collects personal information from computer without users' permission. These types of viruses are called spyware. Trojan horse, a malicious program that steals information from computer. It's a very harmful virus. Trojan horse. Virus, a malicious software that is designed to harm a computer. Vulnerabilities, a weakness present in the operating system, setting and application that can be misused by hackers. Bomb, a malicious program that duplicates itself. As I told you, please keep these things in your mind. These are very important. Move to the exercise of this chapter. Tell me the answer of this filling the blanks. What is the answer?
Ma'am, Trojan horse.
Virus.
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 Computer virus.
Virus.
The answer of the first one is computer virus.
Trojan
Write the
horse.
answer. Let me write the answer here. Computer virus.
Virus लिखा है मैम.
Next, the dash virus affects the boot sector of the system. Answer is
Ma'am, multi-facial.
boot sector virus. Boot sector virus.
sector virus, not multi-party.
Boot sector.
Next, dash is an application software designed to prevent, detect, and
Antivirus.
remove
Antivirus.
viruses.
Antivirus.
Yes. Quick heal is an example of, again,
Antivirus.
Ma'am, antivirus software. Antivirus software.
antivirus is sufficient. Move to the true and false. Viruses are capable to duplication and are designed to spread from one computer to another. True or false?
Ma'am,
True.
true.
Yes, it's very true that they are designed to replicate, duplicate, and to spread from one computer to another. Virus can infect the hardware components such as keyboard and mouse.
False.
False.
Exactly. It's false because they cannot affect mouse and computer like these types of hardware components. Virus cannot affect. They only can affect the software of computer. Boost wall is an example of multi-party virus. Answer is
True.
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 next. We should always scan removable devices such as portable hard drives, pen drives, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, etc. before using them.
Ma'am, true.
True.
Ma'am,
True.
ma'am, true.
Yes.
True.
Have to scan these devices always
True.
before working. Okay.
True.
What are computer virus? Who can give me the answer? Find out from
Ma'am.
the chapter and give me the answer.
And computer virus is a malicious software program which has been designed to harm computer.
Raise your hand and then tell me the answer. Raise your hand who is giving the answer so that I can know. Yes, Subhras.
A computer virus is a malicious software program which has been designed to harm the computer.
Yes. Next question. List some effects of viruses. What are the effects of virus? You have to write up to computer to another. Understand? Computer virus are malicious software programs. They have been designed to harm the computer. These programs are capable of duplication and are designed to spread from one computer to another. This is the complete answer. Understand? Next is question number 2. List some effect of viruses. I think it is also written somewhere. Effects of viruses.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me that where it is written? Which
Ma'am,
page?
in page number 70 at the top.
Page number 71. In page number 71, it is written.
Ma'am, 70.
Yes, page number 70. What are the effects of viruses? So you have to write up to computers. Some viruses are designed to steal data from other computers. Mark it as answer number 2 on your board. Well, I will send you all the answers separately on your WhatsApp group also, but mark these answers.
I was answering of ma'am question number 3. It is in
Question number
71.
3, list some ways in which we can get computer virus. How can we get computer virus? Yes, it is written in page number 71. I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Find
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
Okay. Next question number 4 is, how do you know that you have virus in your computer? Well, it is also written there.
6.1.
Ma'am, 71, page number 6.
Yes, exactly. Page number 71, 6.1.3. Next question is, name at least 3 types of computer viruses. Oh, it's very simple. I hope you all can tell me. Boot virus, file viruses, and multi-party virus. Question number 6. What are Trojan viruses? Trojan horse virus. So we can find the answer here. You have to write that whole paragraph. Understand? Trojan horses. This virus is aptly in page number 72. That paragraph which is written about Trojan horse. You have to write that. This virus is aptly named after a hollow wooden Trojan horse used in Trojan War. This war was fought between Trojan and Greeks. Complete the answer using this hollow horse. Greek warriors sneaked into a city of Troy and vanquished it. A Trojan horse is a computer world is harmful program. This is held in seemingly harmless program or data. When executed, Trojans steal information from computer. Up to this. Next question is, what are bombs? What harms do they cause? So for this, you can write the next paragraph which is written here about bombs. Sanskar, can you read this? Where is Sanskar? Ayush Shukla, can you read this? Ayush Roy, sorry, Ayush Shukla. Ayush Roy, can you read this paragraph of bombs? This is the answer of question number 7.